Okay, hit it.
Welcome to Cooking with Cathy at the Cabin. Today we're making artisan bread. 4 simple ingredients. The first ingredient is 3 cups of flour. So you take your cupper here, reach down here, you get 3 cups. Well, make sure you don't have sugar. It's flour, Robin. Flour.
Okay, got it.
1. Almost.
Water is 110 degrees.
2. Isn't there you know, like a something to 110? 3 cups of flour. All right. Then he's done jacked me up, telling me something else. Okay, it's 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon, not a tablespoon, but a tisp. 1 tisp of salt. 1 tisp of salt. A half a tisp of rapid rise yeast. 1 of those. Okay, now here is the dilemma. I think there's a range, but Denny says it's 110. So we'll see what mine is. Mine is, shit, can't see. Mine's 100 and maybe 1. That's not warm enough, Denny?
That will be warm enough.
It will be warm enough, he says. So it's 1
It's not over 130.
and a half. 130. All right.
That's hot.
And that's all there is. Now you mix it up.
You stir it right to left or left to right?
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
Clockwise. You stir clockwise. Intermittently stirring to the left. And you stir that, and you don't have to put it in a blender. You just keep stirring till you don't have any flour. I recommend not using a whisk. You know why? Because all that crap gets stuck in your whisk.
Yeah.
I know. That's half the bread that gets stuck in the whisk. You feeling it, Robin?
I'm feeling that.
Okay,
yeah.
look, it's coming together. And just keep kind of getting it. And it'll all kind of soak up. You know, it's looking kind of dry, though. This is kind of what it looked like when I just put a half a cup in. I know that 1 cup was a little shy, but
It was a little shy.
it was a little shy. All right, let's go over here to the faucet. You gotta get it warm. That's hot. Don't want to get hot though. So, whoops, we can't put that in. It wasn't that short.
No.
All right, let's hand it anything. See what it is. Denny's over there thinking this bread ain't gonna turn out. I know it. I can feel him. Now why ain't it? Well, there it goes. That's not be warm enough. Oh, that did not come together. Is this a half a cup? Yeah, that's half a cup. Oh. They do say if your bread dough looks a little thick, you can add. So we added a little. Come on, dude. All right, we'll roll with that. That's pretty close to 100 because I think mine says 90. All right, let's see. I didn't put it all in.
Okay.
Just a little. You know, sometimes stuff don't look. 3 cups. Let me make sure that didn't say 2.
You did 3.
It says 3. 3 cups
You
of
did
flour.
3, yeah. Baking soda.
No, not baking soda. It's 4
Baking
ingredients.
Baking powder.
No? Well, flour. Well, this. And yeah, I think this is it. All right. I just want to mix it up, so let me show you. So you don't see a lot of flour at the bottom, you know, until it's kind of crummy. this sure don't look like it's gonna rot. 'Cause it ain't, there's just not, ain't loose enough. 1.5 cups of water. Oh, here comes the expert. See, this don't look like it's gonna rise. That's what it looked like when I put 1/2 cup in there. But I
That
put
don't
it,
look right.
I know, but I put 1.5 cups in.
You gotta put it on wax paper and
No, you don't
put
do
it
it.
in a ball?
No, that later. That's what you do in the morning. We're gonna add a little more water to it.
Maybe you weren't warm enough.
We'll see. We'll just add a little more. Because it didn't look like this the first time. Of course, I hadn't had a margarita the first time that I did this. To be quite
Now it's
honest.
looking better.
To be quite honest.
Now it's looking better.
Yeah. All right. See, this is what we mix the margaritas in. All right. And that's it, my
Now
friends.
you look better.
And now you cover it with cling wrap.
Can you use press and seal instead?
I think so.
Okay.
I think it'll be all right. All right.
I don't have cling wrap. I have press and seal now, so that's why I was asking.
I mean, it doesn't even have to be tight. It's got to
Okay.
be on it. So, we'll check it tonight. See what it looks like.
To be continued.
TBC.
Okay.
All right.
Quick.